Welcome to this Broadcom video on the IWSz and AAI integration. This video shows how to create and configure the scheduler connection in the AAI web UI. Assuming the software has been set up properly on the mainframe, data files are delivered to the connector host, and neither AAI nor the connector communicate with IWSz ever. Files are in the directories we set up during the configuration of the software instance. We see the three event files, cpop, events, and track, to which date and timestamps have been appended. We also see the definition files base, objs, and defs. We start in the AAI web UI, head to System, and create a new connection. We can name it anything we want. We select IWSz in the list of schedulers. Here are the fields. Let's take a look at the details of the form. The first two directories are self-explanatory. They are the connector host locations where IWSz is configured to deliver the definition and event files respectively. The default calendar name should be the name of an IWSz-defined default calendar that will be used by AAI whenever an application definition is found without a specific calendar. You have to specify the connector API URL, since the connector delivers data to AAI over REST. This should be the URL where Tomcat can be reached. In other words, the IP or DNS of the connector host, the Tomcat port, and the name of the web app, which is fixed. IBM Workflow Scheduler Connector. The Plan Extend time field shows the time when the current Plan Extend job is executed by IWSz to create a new current plan for the following 24-hour period. The Plan Extend from time shows the actual time that the current plan is specified to start from when the extend process is executed. Specify a time format and the time zone of the IWSz subsystem this connector is processing. Once you are done, you can click Test Connection, which will show you if the connection is working. Thank you. This concludes the video.